All right, guys, welcome to Monkey Doodle, and this is our first quick draw episode. So you're going to draw a quick flower with Mr. L. That's me, the host of the Monkey Doodle show. And this flower is going to be a rose. So get your favorite drawing utensil ready. Mine is a Sharpie, and here we go. I'm going to start up here with a spiral line somewhere in the middle of your paper. Watch. And it goes round and round, and we'll do one more. Right about there, okay? And now, see how it goes round and round, spins out. We're going to come to the side over here. And big U-type shape that connects to there. Pretty cool, right? See, it's like a giant U. All right. And then we're going to go to the end of this side of this spiral, and short curvy line down hits the other line. See that? And we're going to go to the end of that inner line. Same thing, go down until you hit the other line. So you see we're creating some 3D kind of effect. Go to the end of this curve and hit the other line, come out. And now it looks like the inside loops of the flower petal. Pretty cool, huh? And let's see, for this one here, all right, I'm going to kind of go to the side. Watch this. And hit the other line. So it's like the outer loop. Look how cool that looks. All right. So it's kind of like a rose slash tulip. We could add another part right here if you want to, but I'll keep it simple. We're going to make two eyes, big ovals, circle, little circle, make it kind of cute. Over here too, another big oval. Make that cute with a little highlight inside. And a smile. Fill that in dark. A happy, cute little rose. All right. We're almost done. Let's put a stem on this, okay, guys? All right. Come down with a long line. Shoot right down on your paper. Right next to it, pretty close. Another line. Keep it close together. At the bottom, we could do something interesting. We could sort of add two little feet. Watch. Little loop there. And a little loop here. And you make that dark too with a tiny highlight there. All right, and we could kind of close it there. So it looks like she has two little feet, like she can walk around and stuff. Pretty cool, different, huh? Our flower is coming to life. And you can call this flower anything you want. And we do two leaves on the side of each flower. Let's do one over here. It'll be like a zigzag kind of line. See, zigzag, zigzag, and comes in. Down zigzag, down zigzag. So it's kind of pointy. Okay, looks like she's saying hello. And a line in the middle. Because every leaf has a line in the middle that distributes the water to the leaf. And on this side, we can kind of do the same thing. But I'm going to curve around and do something a little special. And a little spike right there. So it looks like it curved all the way down, but still that zigzag line. And so it looks like it touches the side of the stem, and then watch. We'll do zigzag. Okay, a little tricky to do that, but still like a zigzag line. Leave that space there, okay? And line in the middle, go all the way to the end and hit the side. So it looks like she has one hand on the hip. There's really one leaf on the hip. And one leaf, you know, upwards, kind of like, looks like she's waving a little bit. And you can put a little wavy line there if you want. All right, really cool. I hope you guys really like that. That is our flower girl. And if you hang out with me for an extra second or two, we could turbo hyperspace color this thing. Yeah, hang on, let's do it. If you guys enjoyed this quick draw episode of the Monkey Doodle Show, please like and subscribe. And that would be a real great help to our channel. Thanks a lot, guys.